This oatmeal is great for a hearty breakfast meal. You will need rice flour, milk, sugar, and cinnamon. Pour 2 cups of your favorite milk into a small saucepan and set to medium heat. Add 1/3 cup of rice flour and stir. Now, this is where patience comes in. You're going to stir it constantly as it thickens, which will take approximately 20 minutes. Once it reaches a creamy texture, turn the heat off and add a tablespoon of sugar. Stir and remove the cream from the heat. Just look how beautiful it looks. Now, ladle it into a serving bowl while still hot and sprinkle some cinnamon. As the pudding sets, when it cools down, dive right in, or enjoy it at room temperature, or even refrigerate it and eat it cold. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Until next time, friends.